this video, we will learn how to perform DAQmx terminal filtering. Allow undefined names allows us to enter an arbitrary string such as a comma-delimited list of terminals. Allow multiple names allows us to select multiple terminals in the browse dialog box by pressing the Ctrl key or the Shift key when we click terminal names. Limit to device. Place a check mark in the checkbox and select a device name to show terminals from that device only. You can browse to select multiple devices. Include advanced terminals. List advanced terminals. Advanced terminals are often terminals internal to a device or are terminals rarely used in typical measurement applications.